Part 1. Spicing up your knowledge. Ever wonder how adding a pinch of spice to your meals could impact your health and metabolism? Let's dive into the flavorful world of spices, not just culinary game changers, but also natural metabolism boosters. Understanding metabolism, the body's energy-burning process, is key to overall health. So are you ready to spice up your life and rev up your metabolic engine? Part 2. The power of spices. Get ready to explore the metabolic benefits of some common spices you might have in your kitchen right now. Let's start with cinnamon, a warm spice that not only adds a sweet kick to your meals, but also helps regulate blood sugar levels, which in turn boosts your metabolism. Next, we have turmeric, the golden spice known for its anti-inflammatory properties. But did you know it also stimulates your body's fat-burning mechanisms? Moving on to ginger, a zesty spice that aids in digestion and enhances thermogenesis, thereby increasing your metabolism. Finally, let's talk about cayenne pepper. This fiery spice does more than just heat up your dishes. It contains capsaicin, a compound that can speed up your metabolic rate by raising your body temperature. So, whether you're sipping on a cinnamon-infused tea, enjoying a turmeric-rich curry, biting into a ginger cookie, or sprinkling cayenne pepper on your scrambled eggs, remember, you're not just adding flavor, but also fueling your body's metabolic fire. Part 3. The spicy conclusion. In conclusion, it's clear that spices do more than just add a kick to your food. They're metabolic powerhouses, but remember, they're just a part of a balanced diet and regular exercise. So, next time you're in the kitchen, remember, a little spice can do more than just tantalize your taste buds. It can also give your metabolism a much-needed boost. Now go ahead, spice it up.